This is the video guys to learn how to reverse a list in Excel. So guys, very simple and easy way reversing a list in Excel. Firstly guys, you have to use one trick. Enter the number 1 2 like this. So now we have this number list. Now select both column. Right click on it and sort. Select custom sort and in the column select column B. In order select largest to smallest. Then click on OK. That's it. So this is the way you can sort data in Excel. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. If you don't need this number list, right click on it and delete it.